In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run reports on a subdivided budget in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. Managing a budget can be challenging, especially when you have multiple subdivisions like classes or locations that require individual attention. QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced make it easy to set up and monitor a subdivided budget, helping you stay organized and on track. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to generate detailed reports for your subdivided budget, so you can analyze your finances with confidence. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, make sure your subdivided budget is set up in QuickBooks Online. This means your data should already be recorded or imported and tied to specific subdivisions, such as classes or locations. Having your budget set up properly is a crucial first step to ensure accurate reporting. Once your budget is ready, navigate to the left-hand navigation panel in QuickBooks Online and select the option labeled Reports. This will take you to the Reports page, where you'll find a variety of tools to help you analyze your financial data. On the Reports page, switch over to the Standard tab. This tab contains a collection of commonly used reports, including those designed for budgets. It's an essential section for accessing the reports we'll be working with in this tutorial. Next, locate the budget report that best fits your needs. You'll have two main options: the Budget Overview Report, which gives you a high-level summary of budgeted totals for your accounts and subdivisions, or the Budget versus Actuals Report, which compares your budgeted amounts to actual spending and highlights variances. Choose the report that aligns with your goal. Click on the report you want to use. At the top left corner of the report page, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Budget. Use this menu to select the specific budget you want to view. If you've created multiple budgets in QuickBooks, make sure you choose the one that corresponds to your current analysis. Now, verify that the budget you've selected matches your intended structure. Double-check that it includes subdivisions like classes or locations, as these details are critical for accurate reporting. Taking a moment to confirm this will save you time and prevent confusion later. Once you're confident about your selection, click the Run Report button. This will generate the report based on your chosen budget and settings. The system will compile the data and present it in an organized, easy-to-read format. Now that your report is ready, take some time to review it carefully. If you're viewing the Budget Overview report, look for budgeted totals broken down by accounts and subdivisions. If you're using the Budget versus Actuals report, pay attention to the actual figures and any variances compared to your budgeted amounts. These insights will help you understand how well you're sticking to your financial plan. If you notice anything that doesn't look quite right, don't worry. First, check that the budget you selected and the time frame for the report align with your intended period. Then confirm that the transactions you've recorded in QuickBooks use the same classes or locations as those defined in your budget. Correcting any discrepancies here will ensure your reports are accurate and reliable. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to generate and review detailed reports for your subdivided budget in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. These reports are a powerful way to stay on top of your finances and make informed decisions for your business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.